Hello kitties, it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we're doing cheap fairy versus expensive fairy. You know it's springtime. The fairies have came out at Royale High to play. So let's get into this video and start with a cheap fairy. So let's go ahead and click style and we're going to use fairy. So let's try this Taurus warrior first. It's not giving. Let's find something else. What about this Tinker fairy costume? You know what? This is it. Now let's go ahead and get a skirt. So we are going to use the mini skirt for 2,500 diamonds. Okay. And we're going to make it green to match her outfit. Let's go ahead and do the hair. I think we should go for like buns. What do you guys think? Wait, let's try Darla because you know Darla is my favorite. Darla is popping, but we're going with Princess of Love and Magic. Now let's go ahead with the green eyes and see what we get. What about Naomi? Now you guys know I love Naomi, but it's really not giving Tinkerbell. What about Pretty Dancer? Okay, this is cute. Now let's go to accessories and pick out something for this cute little Tinker. We're gonna put some earrings and we're gonna add some green and a silver setting to the earrings. I will put the necklace on, but it glitches for me. So we just gonna have to wear the choker. If y'all know about y'all necklaces glitching, let me know. And we're gonna make the choker the same exact look. Kind of wanna do like the ring, and you know we gotta make it green with the platinum setting. And let's see, the animation is gonna be a present for me. What? Oh, look at me. Oh, look at me. Yes, I look good, don't I, you guys? So now let's go ahead and add, let's pick Don't Pick Me Please. What do you guys think of this? I'm not really feeling Don't Pick Me Please. See, no, it's not really giving Tinkerbell. And because we want to make this more of an authentic fairy, we're gonna have flowers coming out our hair. Now Tinkerbell may not have them, but we're gonna have them for this video. So I think what we should use is the 4-leaf ear clovers. Now you guys know you could get a lot of these accessories free right now during the spring raindrops. So I just want to let you guys know I am trying to belt on to see what it looks like. The belt's giving tacky. It's giving tacky. I don't even know, but you know we're trying to spice this up, but it's still giving tacky. However, it is optional. Let's go ahead and pick the 4-leaf clover ears right now to see if they're cute. I'm feeling this. I pretty much love it. Yes, this is the look. Now we got to get the wings, honey, because the wings are going to pop. So let's go ahead and get green. So we're going to pick the $1,500 wings, and this is really a beautiful cheap fairy. This whole outfit, the skirt is $2,500 and everything else, all the accessories were free. This is a 4,000 diamond fairy. Bam, doesn't she look good? Now let's turn her into an expensive fairy. We're gonna add the Darling Valentina heels. Okay, so these are about 30,000 for them. We're gonna make them green. We taking off the socks because I don't ever see fairies wearing socks and bloomers like that. And now we need some wings for our beautiful fairy. So let's get some really expensive wings to up the price. These 6,000 diamond magical field of clovers, well, hey, I mean, for me, they not worth 6,000 diamonds, but hey, to each his own. If you can find a cute fit with it, it may work. Let's go ahead and go down to glowing fairy of luck. I love these wings so much, but doesn't this look cute? Now she is a real expensive Tinkerbell fairy. Look at her. Look how beautiful these wings look. Yes, come through, expensive Tinkerbell. So this whole outfit, I forgot how much. I think these wings were what, 6,000 diamonds plus the Valentina heels for 30,000 diamonds. Means that's about 40 to 50,000 diamonds. Y'all know I can't count, but it's somewhere in between that and this is her. Yes, I'm ready to go spread my pixie dust. Yes, them other fairies in Royale High about to be jealous. Snap me, screenshot me, and steal my outfit. Yes, look at me. Want to steal my outfit? Yes, you do. Yes, you are. So now we're going for a cheaper, different type of fairy. So let's go for like a whimsical fairy. What about the magic flower side? No, I'm not feeling that. Let's go with the Butterflix Blue Monarch Butterfly. Okay, we could work with this outfit. It is so cute. So let's go ahead and start with the hair now. And let's see what we get. What about Akari. No, Akari's really not giving. What about Mermelina? Let's see. Okay, we could work with Mermelina and let's put her in lighter blue. Now, see, her forehead is showing, so I feel like she needs a bang yang yang. Perfect, the wavy hiking braids bangs. Okay, now this is a bang. So now let's get her look together. We're gonna go with blue eyes. What about lilac? It's given, but I feel like she should have some more sass to her. So let's go ahead and do dazzle and see what we get. I like dazzling Ursula. Look at it. Yes, come through. Yes, girl. Now we're gonna add the 2500 diamond mini skirt. What do you guys think of this? Yes, come through. So now we are going to go ahead and put a belt on. Now I know it may be a little bit too much for a fairy to have a belt, but I feel like she needs it to match her outfit because, like I said, she is a whimsical fairy and she needs this belt. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add a little bit more of our free accessories like the hat. Yes, she's whimsical. She needs a hat. We're gonna change the colors a little bit. I'm gonna go with a darker blue to match the outfit for her, and then I think I'm gonna make this purple because I feel like we didn't have nothing purple on her and she needs some purple. And I'm gonna add a little bit of purple to her choker as well because you know it's gonna be purple and it's gonna pop. So now let's go ahead and give her some wings. We're gonna do blue wings. I would have did purple wings, but I felt like, y'all, the purple wings are expensive and she's the cheap fairy, so you know we're gonna stick with these $1,000 blue wings. It's cute. Look at it. It's popping. She got purple in her eyeshadow. The wings are purple. Yes, you guys, this is a cute fit. Y'all know this is a cute little fitted fairy. Look at her. Yes, I look good. Yes, I'm looking at you crazy. Yes, my bang yang yangs are popping. Okay. Just joking, y'all. We are now about to do the cute, expensive, whimsical butterfly monarch fairy of them all. And of course, we're going to keep the same outfit because we're going to make her expensive. Let's go ahead and find the hairstyle. I kind of want to change the hairstyle up just to make it look a bit cute. So we are going to go with, I think we should go with, what about the sporty side ponytail? Since she is going to be whimsical, what do you guys think of this? No. What about Vanity? Okay, yes. Yes, she's giving. And I feel like she should be like a purple. This is really popping, honey. Yes, come through face. Yes. And what about the traditional Chinese makeup? Y'all know that's my favorite look. What about Lovebird? We need some purple. Let's go with, oh, this one is pretty. It may not work, but we are going to see. Butterfly Beauty. This is so beautiful. She is a beautiful butterfly already. So now we're gonna put her in some Valentina heels because she gotta step her game up, honey. And we're gonna add them blue and make it purple to match her dress. Yes, and we taking these socks off. No socks, thank you very much. And yes, this is so cute. What do you guys think? It is glitch a bit, but it's still pretty. Now let's add some more accessories because you guys know we are going to add the pageant earrings. Look how pretty they look. They would be so cute blue or purple as well. But let's put some wings on her. And you guys see how the purple wings are very expensive. They start at $4,000 already. That's why I was trying to tell y'all the purple wings are expensive. Let's try the dark crystal. See, these kind of match the blue and the purple. I don't see no blue in them, but they were cute. What about the try on Symphony Floor? These are so cute. I would have went with these, but there was a bit of green and she had no green in her outfit. Something else. What about Dear Sky Butterfly? I already have them, so we might as well just use the Dear Sky Butterfly ones, honey. These are so cute. Yeah, she is ready for them. Look at how beautiful she looks, you guys. She is such a beautiful fairy. Yes, she is the mother of all fairies, the princess of fairies can be. Look at how cute she looks. I'm the pop star princess fairy. Yes, I slay all day. So now we are going to go ahead and do a dark fairy. Maybe not a really dark fairy, but she's gonna be borderline dark empress, spicy fairy. And we're gonna do the rose empress. So roses of empress, the fiery rose empress fairy. Now let's go ahead and find something for our fire fairy to wear. What about these pigtails? What do you guys think? No, let's go ahead and go down. She don't feel fiery to me. What about the sporty side ponytail? No, she's not giving fiery princess, okay? She's giving more like, I'm tired. What about the pop star ponytail? Let's see if this works. Yes, we are going to make it red. Okay, we got our fiery red fairy ready. Go ahead and get starfly bangs and see what we're working with. This is perfect. This is giving bang for her. Now let's go ahead and, you know, pick a face. Now we got to get a spicy face for our pretty rose empress fairy princess. And what should we get? Something with like very full red lips. That's what I want to see for her, like full red lips. Some of these faces I'm picking on her are looking messy, honey. They look good on paper, but when you look at them, they look a mess. So maybe we should get something with like rose in it. Maybe we'll get a really cute rose look. So let's go ahead and type rose in the description and see what we could get with rose, because you know we do have a rose empress fairy here. Okay, so here, Rosa, here we go. Perfect. Look at those lips. Isn't that pretty? And it's called Roselia. So let's go ahead and put the real life mermaid skirt on her. We are going to go ahead and change the color to sort of match her outfit. So we're gonna make it a dark red, and then we're gonna kind of make the lighter color a brighter red for the roses. Y'all see the roses, how this is matching? Yes, this is coming through, honey. Slay, my little rose empress. Yes, girl, auntie. So let's go get some free accessories for our fiery empress. We're gonna put an exquisite ring on her. We're gonna give the setting a beautiful glowing red color, and then of course to match the silver in her dress, if you can see right here, we're gonna make it white, but we're gonna make it a little lighter color. And look it, let's do a present for me. Y'all know that's my favorite one. So now let's go ahead and put some earrings on her, because of course her earrings, she gotta be popping with jewelry because she's our spicy empress. So let's go ahead and make it red, and the setting a darker red to make her earrings glow, because they have to glow. Look at how they glow. Now let's go ahead and put some fiery wings on. See, the wings are very expensive, you guys, and I mean, look it. Now this is not, I said she was a fiery rose empress, but this is not really giving rose. This is giving more vampire fairy. Let's go ahead and go to something. See how expensive they are? Like literally cannot afford a really good wing for a cheap fairy. So we gonna end up just going with the flamy sparkles, because this is like getting the far out. So we probably are gonna have to change everything in this dress to sort of match the wings, even though the fit looks good, but it's so hard picking wings. We are going to go ahead and kind of change certain things in her mermaid skirt, because unfortunately where we want the yellow for her wings to kind of match her skirt, it will look cute that way. So let's go ahead and sort of make it yellow. It looks cute red, but I think we would look bright yellow. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you guys prefer a yellow or a dark color? Oh yes, who, me? I'm ready to slay. Yes, call me. Hey, if you want me to burn down some buildings for you. Just joking. Now let's go ahead and spice this expensive fairy up, and we are going to go ahead and put on the Dear Dolly heels, and we are going to make them bright red, and then we are going to make color 2 dark red, but I feel like we should swap that. Yep, it looks much better swapped. Okay, so perfect. So now we need to spice this skirt up, honey, because I feel like it should match like the darkness of the Dear Dolly heels she she has on. Can you guys see when we made it the darker color how it's coming together? Now let's go ahead and find her some wings. Now I already know which ones I'm going to use. You guys probably saw them, but I just want to show you how expensive they are. They're 9,000 diamonds. She is the expensive fairy. Look at her. Yes, look at me. I deserve all the money, all the diamonds, all the riches. I am the most beautiful fairy, but look how expensive these fairy rings are if we go down to the flame of the dragon. These are 20,000 diamonds, but I felt they didn't really go with the outfit. Personally, that's just my opinion. I actually like Firebird. So for this fairy, we will be using the Firebird. Yes, look at me. Yes, I am the princess queen fairy Firebird. Yes, I will make all your dreams come true for a price this spring. With that being said, kitties, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below which fairy was your favorite fairy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you kitties so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.